Hello everyone, Think and Grow Rich here. Today I'll be showing you a Godaddy Cpanel tutorial if you're going to start with online marketing. So this tutorial is going to be with Godaddy. I mean, you can go with any hosting provider you want, like Bluehost or DigitalOcean or anything like that. But generally, the gist of it will be the same as you'll have to get Cpanel. So even if you follow along through with this one, you'll go through the same steps. So the one that I would recommend is GoDaddy for myself. I've tried out Bluehost and DigitalOcean on other hosting providers, so I personally recommend GoDaddy. But it's all up to you which one you want to go with. So if you're gonna go with GoDaddy, or even with Bluehost or other sites, you don't want to get in a Cpanel that has unlimited websites, unlimited storage, and bandwidth. So it says here it's £4.50 a month, but it's actually £7 a month if you want to do it on a month-to-month basis. So this £4.50 would be if you paid for an entire year. So just keep that in mind before you buy anything. I mean, I'll just pay it monthly, so I'm actually not paying this price as I didn't buy it up front. You can go with the Ultimate as well. It's up to you, but it's really cheap anyway, so you can go with this one or the Ultimate. As you can see, the thing about Deluxe is you can get unlimited websites, which is the best thing about it, and then you get free emails included, and then a free domain only if you buy the annual plan. Alright, so as you can see here, I've got Deluxe Linux hosting. This is one of my sites. I got a sale certificate. Alright, so once you bought it, you'll be requested to set up your password for your Cpanel. So the first thing you do is you click here on your account. You go to my products, and then you go to manage. That'd be for your web hosting. That's to get into your Cpanel. That's just how I do it, but you can go to the direct link as well if you want. So I can just click here on manage, get through to my Cpanel. Give it a second to load. So this would be your direct link. Let me just push this up a little bit so you can see it. This would be direct link right here if you wanted to get to the Cpanel straight away. So there's a lot going on here, but essentially when you set up your website, you'll already have it within your file manager. But in case you need to add on the website, you just go to add on domains. Oh yeah, I forgot to say that the first thing you'd obviously do is buy a domain. So that's really simple. You just on GoDaddy, you just type in a domain name, click buy, add your card details, and it'll basically show up in your list. That'll be over here. My products. This is once you've bought your domain name. You can go to domain name, click here, and here you'll have all your domains. Alright. So once you bought your domain name, let's say you bought google.com, you just type it in there, it's filling for you. You click add domain, make sure you own the domain, otherwise it's not going to work. So I need to click on add domain, and it will do it for you. Next, once you've added your domain here, you go back to your home page, and what you'll notice is, let me get to it. So you'd click through on your domain here. So for example, if I go on this website, so with this with this whole package, you would have one main website. So for me, it's Elite Consulting. So this is my main website. As you can see here, any other domain I add to it would be a subdomain of that, but it's also a domain within itself. So if I want to dronupmedia.com, for example, it wouldn't come up as that. It would just come up by itself. But the way that Godaddy is set up is it's kind of a subdomain of that. Just so you know. Alright, so here you click on make sure you click on document root. You click on go. So once you have your domain set up here with the website, essentially you would just add your website files to it. So my index.html is over here. I got a backup here and license. Make sure to create your regular backups for your websites. Alright, so to upload a file, you gotta click over here, you click on upload. And when you're uploading a website, you have to do it in a zip format. So make sure to compress your whole folder in your documents before you try to upload it. You literally just click here and choose file, and then you'd go back to your file manager. As for within the file manager itself, you would extract your website. So here's, for example, I got a backup here. So you would simply click extract where you want to extract it to. You type in your path file there. It's very, very simple. Alright, so I think I've covered this. You literally just go inside your file manager, upload your website, and it should work. If it doesn't work, you can always call them up or just search in the forums. But make sure essentially just have your index.html and for your image folder, just make sure you name it appropriately, etc. Alright, for emails, you can just click on email accounts, and you can add as many emails as you want with as much usage. It's quite simple to add an email. You just click create account, and then you get your email here. Let me see what else is there. Let's see. So I mean, if you've got any specific questions, you can ask them in the description. I'll make a separate video on it. But overall, it's quite easy to use. The main thing, like what I'm on 99% of the time, it would be file manager and your email. Like that. That's about it. If you're creating a WordPress site, you would obviously you would download WordPress on here. But yeah, so it'd be over here, the WordPress blog application. You can install that on your file manager as well. So I do have a few WordPress apps. As you can see here, I've got 3. Just click on it. It's literally just you simply just click next, fill in some details, your username, password, next, and then boom, it's there. And then if you want to view your whole thing, it's so as you can see here, I've got 3 here. I've got 3 blogs. I've deleted this website, so it doesn't exist anymore. And these 2 are still running. Yep. Alright, so when you do install it, you can view everything again back in your file manager. So let me go here. So it would create a folder for the WordPress. So you can see here are all the WordPress files. But generally, that's just a general overview of how to use the cPanel. You'd mainly be in the file manager. When you want to install WordPress, if you don't have your own website, you can just click over here and install the WordPress on any folder you want. You can create backups and stuff, but I don't really use anything else for internet marketing, online marketing business. And then you got the emails here, and also you can add more domains. You literally just click on add and add as many as you want. I've got about 10 websites I think on here. Alright. And each website would come in its own folder. So let's do this with this website. It doesn't exist. This one, for example, see this website is a blog. So here you have the WordPress admin, WordPress content, and all the other WordPress stuff. Well, yeah, I think I'm gonna end this video here. If there's any questions, just drop it in the comments below. And yeah, so here's where you add your domain names. You just add your domain name. Just type in your domain name exactly how it is. So if it's this account, for example, youtube.com, and then you just add it here, and that'll be it. You don't have to check that. Just don't check that. Just add it, and it'll come up here. All right, so that's all there is for today. Make sure to get the deluxe option, so you have unlimited websites. If you didn't, you just have one website, which kind of sucks. And that's it for this tutorial. Or actually, wait, to edit HTML files, let me just go up one level. I'll show you how to edit HTML files. You've got a normal, so I'll just right click on it. You've got the normal code edit, which is really rubbish. It does not look good at all. And then you have the HTML edit. Make sure if you decide to edit it, click on HTML edit, click on edit, and then once you're here, don't try and do anything over here. This is just like a preview of your website. You would click here over on source to get to the source code. So click on source, and here's where you make edits. Yeah, so basically, don't do it in the other preview, in the preview section. Do it in the source. Yeah, so there you go, source. You can just save it over here and then get out. So it's pretty simple to use. I highly recommend getting Godaddy. I've been with them for years, literally, so Godaddy is my go-to hosting provider. Deluxe. So yeah, this one you get, it'll be the deluxe plan. Unlimited website. If you go on any other hosting provider, just get unlimited websites, unlimited storage, bandwidth. Make sure you got some emails included, and that would be it. Okay. Alright, so that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe for future videos. I'm going to start a Facebook ads video course on YouTube, taking you how to make ads, how to make money from ads, how to target businesses, all that stuff coming up soon. Thanks for watching. Think and grow rich, and make sure you leave a like and subscribe and comment as well. Thanks.